Yo, what's good, boys? Got absolutely beamed today. Took a L. So let's break down exactly why I ended up entering into this trade here. So going into New York Session Open, we had some pretty good targets overall, and one of the areas that I was targeting price to move to was this low right here. We also had another low beneath. I'll jump on the 1 hour time frame. These were 1 hour lows here. So we'll zoom in. One of them was a 15-minute low, one was a 1 hour low. So we had this low right here. It was also inside of a bullish 5-minute gap. We did have news at 9:45, Red Fuller News, so waited for that to come out today. We had a little bit of a choppy open. So news comes out, we leave behind, this is the news candle here, we leave behind a bearish 1-minute gap. Pretty large gap. This was a, let's see, 41-point gap. So that's pretty substantial if a gap like that gets inversed, especially with the momentum that we inversed it with today. So news leaves behind this bearish 1 minute. We come down, we sweep out those 1 hour lows. We were also delivering out of a bullish 5-minute. So as we can see, right here, we have the bullish 5-minute. We have the 1 hour low inside the 5-minute gap. This is picture perfect for a reversal. As we can see, this is the wick right here. So look at this wick. We had so much momentum back to the upside. I honestly thought we had this shit in the bag. I thought this shit was gonna fly. Honestly, I have my tool set up to these highs here, but honestly, I would have probably targeted London in Asia high. As we can see, this is Asia, this is London. We had these relative equal highs right here. It would have been a really good area for price to move to if we didn't dump. Unfortunate, but yeah, so as we can see, this candle right here, really clean reaction and back to the upside. After that sweep, we hold the gap and price flies straight through this 1 minute with fucking insane momentum for being over a 40-point gap. Obviously the stop on this was larger than I typically will have a stop loss, but for this trade, could not resist taking it. It was very A plus in my opinion. If it wasn't, I wouldn't have taken it. So yeah, inverse gap, enter long there, and price, we literally don't see profit for 1 second, and price fucking dumps to the downside. And I get stopped out, and then right after I get stopped out, we fucking reverse and hit my target. Sucks, but it's part of the game. Obviously, I was not meant to win a trade today. This blows too. Like we didn't even sweep out. So we had this 15-minute low, which was inside of a bullish gap as well, that we failed to take out. So we don't even sweep liquidity. We obviously retake this low, but we failed to take this by a couple ticks, and then reverse out of nowhere and hit my target. I don't know, maybe it was me. Maybe I had so much money on this trade that they moved the market to my stop loss and then grabbed all that money and reversed. But yeah, great trade. Nothing you can do about it. Obviously, losses like this are honestly, it's like when you take a loss and you're at a certain point in your trading journey, I guess you could call it. It's like you just don't care because the trade was exactly what your plan is. You followed your plan perfectly and you lost. That's a loss that you should be happy with. That's the only sort of losses that you should be taking. And like, if you want to level up your trading, every loss that you take, obviously it fucking sucks to lose. No one likes to lose, but you should at the end of the day be like, you should be able to say, I'm happy with that loss because I did everything I could. And if I take this trade, it will probably take profit 8 or 9 times out of 10. Those are the types of losses that you want to be taking. Now, the ones that you like hate yourself for taking the trade, those are the losses that you should not be taking. You should have never even entered into that trade. So, yeah, I'm rambling, but yeah, took an L today. Is what it is. So I'm 3 wins, 1 loss this week. Let's see if we can finish this week out strong tomorrow and go 4 for 1 or not take any trades. So we'll see. Be back on here tomorrow. Peace.